Scott coming to you here live from my home in Sugarloaf with a complete review on this done for you business. Yes, what's done for you mean, folks? Done for you means done for you. They talk to your leads, they close your sales, your $800 sales, $4,000 sales, $2,400 sales. So here I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to make $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions without doing any of the work. That's completely true, without doing any of the work, and we're going to break it down. So in this description, you're going to find the information with this page right here. Once you're done watching this video, which you want to stay to the end and you want to smash the subscribe, hit the bell on the top so you never miss a video from me again, I want you to be sure you watch this whole thing because I got a special bonus for you at the end, and it's about me starting your business. So, what's OCM? OCM stands for Online Consistent Money. This is the OCM back office. This is where you would watch the welcome, how to get started, how to get set up. Even though it's all set up, this is the outline of what the team, the company's doing for you, all right? Traffic explained and the membership level access, okay? Very, and I'm going to go over that in my bonuses. We have a new edition called Easy Phone Money. So once you get a $800, $2,400, or $4,000 package, that's free traffic as well. And the product is a membership for advertising. Because what are we doing here, folks? We're a business. We need to advertise, just like a restaurant, just like anybody advertises. We have to advertise, and we do this. And we do this in the automated way where people come to a phone number, right? Because after you come to this right here, after you go here, you're going to come to the overview. And this overview is going to explain to you everything, how it works. And it's going to touch on a few things I just showed you. And then once you do that, you're going to come on over here and you're going to watch the product explained. This explains the product more in detail, but it's advertising and it's a membership like a Costco wholesale, like a Sam's Club, like a BJ's wholesale, and where you get discounted traffic rates. And I'm going to show that to you at the end of this video, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to give you for a bonus, okay? And if you don't think I have the credentials to show you this, I haven't had a boss since 2016. So what I'm talking about, how personable this is they have a call team. So when you come over here, you're going to go through this whole page here, and I will take you through it briefly because there's lots of testimonials, a lot of people having success with this because it's so darn easy when you have an online consistent money system closing all your sales. So what you're going to do after your review is call this phone number. You're going to tell them Scott Darvid sent you, okay? Once you tell them Scott Darvid sent you, they're going to call you back and they're going to answer any questions you have. Then they're going to get you onboarded in whatever product package you want, okay? And guess what, folks? You're going to get the same page, the same funnel, all set up and done for you. Yes, you heard me correct. With your name and this phone number, so when your leads call, guess what? You're getting paid $800, $2,400, and those big $4,000 commissions. Now ask yourself, would that help you fire your boss? Would that help you get something you want? Would that help you pay down some bills? Yes or no? And if you're consistent with this over and over again, that'll happen over and over and over and over and over again. Just like Carol D right here. She is so happy with this program. And I want to show you these first two bonuses. You can read these bonuses after. These are huge bonuses, but this is the best bonus ever. You do not need to speak to anyone. We do all of the selling and telling for you. Let me read that again for you. You do not need to speak to anyone. We do all the selling and telling for you. The reason I'm doing this video is because I've been doing this now for 8 years full time. But I do the traffic version as well, which when I don't have time, when I want to do other things, I press the button and the team makes the sales for me. It's proven done. They've done it over the past year for me. So that's why I'm pushing this on for you. Bonus number 2. As they speak to your leads, they make the sales for you. You keep 100% of the commission, just as if you would if you sold it yourself. So you're getting these direct $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions, okay? And that's level 1, 2, and 3. So you have level 1, which is $1,000, pays $800 commissions. The rest of the $1,000 is the admin because they do close our sales. $2,400, okay, is for the $3,000 product package. Respectfully, $600 the admin, and the 5,000 pays 4,000 to you and 1,000 to the company as they close your sales and they do the site and they build your website and they continue to talk to your leads over and over and over again. Just like another testimonial, does OCM really work? Yes, it does. 12,800 in just 4 days. All right. Again, we do the work. You keep 100% of the commission. All right. Michael C. in Alabama, 4,200 in just 3 weeks. All right. And you can go through this at your rate and ask yourself this question again. Would you want 800, 2,400, or 4,000 mailed right to your door, to your Cash App, to your Zelle, to your PayPal, however you want to get paid? Yeah. But do people really sign up? Yes. Look at this, 6,400 in just 1 week for Kevin C. I've had $4,800 days. I had a $7,200 day with this. So yes, this really, really works. Ready to get started making life-changing money? We have everything you need here for complete business, hands-off, whether you're a full-time mother, father, working a job. This is Bob Housden this is the owner, Bob Housden, and his family. He's been very good to me. He's been very good to the whole entire membership team, and he continues to produce the goods to get more eyeballs to here to make us, not him, us, more money, okay? Get ready to get started, speak with someone, or apply for 0% financing. Yes, we have that. We have that option. You can do 0% financing if you qualify for that. And we also have here, you can click here, and what's going to happen when you click here, it's going to take you to step by step, inch by inch, how you're going to get started, listed, and everything you need to do here. And when we come back here, we're going to click here. If you want to do zero out of pocket, use other people's money, right? Apply to get funding. Links below. Below are the two, and then there's 2 links. You can apply for two here for up to $5,000 that you need to be in that big money, okay? So that's it, folks. I did tell you now I would go through the bonuses. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you right back into my back office, and I'm going to show you the membership. Gold membership, just so you know, when you start at gold, which is 1,000, you're going to get 10% off all traffic orders for life. This is a lifetime membership, one time, okay? One-time payment, all right? When you start at the platinum, and this is where my bonuses come in. When you start at the platinum, you're going to get 20% discount off of all the advertising and traffic to your link that looks just like this, where people put their email address in. And you're going to get 300 premium clicks from me for joining me in the Easy Phone Money system at the Platinum. Now, I am at the Diamond, and this is brand new. They just added 40% off, almost 50% off high-quality targeted traffic that I've been using now for years to build my email list. And you can build your email list on automation. And when you do start at the Diamond, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks, okay, to your capture page that looks like this, so you get the credit. The team talks to your leads, and guess what, folks? You make that $800, $2,400, or $4,000 commission. All right, folks, make sure you smash the subscribe, hit that bell. I'll see you on my next video. The link is in the description below, and it's pinned in the first comment. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.